So in this video, we are going to talk about the bitwise operators in the C programming language. So bitwise operators work on bits and perform bit by bit operation. Bitwise operators are similar to logical gate operators. However, the thing with bitwise operators is that they can work with multiple operands and they actually compare each individual bit by their respective individual bit in the second operand. So let's first look at this truth table. Then you will see that bitwise operators are pretty much similar to logical gates. So as you can see that we have two operands P and Q, and each of these have two different states on and off, which gives us a total of 4 rows. Now this P and Q means P and operator Q. And operator only turns on when both of the operands are on. Then P bar sign Q is P or Q. Now this operator returns true if any one of the operand is true. Then you have this P raised to the power Q. Now this is known as the XOR operator. It returns true only when both of the operands are in opposite states. So now let's talk about actual bitwise operators that are available in the C programming language. To demonstrate them, we are going to assume that the value A is 60 and the value B is 13, and A in binary is 00111100 and 13 in binary is 4 zeros followed up by 1101. So let's talk about the first operator, which is the bitwise AND operator. So the binary AND or the bitwise AND operator copies a bit to the result if it exists in both of the operands. So if we were to do A and B, we will get the result 12. Similarly, we have the bitwise OR operator. Now, as I've already told you, it is mapped on the logical OR. It returns true or it copies a bit if it exists in either operand. So if we do A or B, we will get the result 61. And then we have this raised to the power symbol, which is the binary XOR or the bitwise XOR operator. Now this operator copies the bit if it is set in one operand but not the other one. So if we do A XOR B, we will get the result 49. Next up we have the tilde symbol. Now this is known as the binary ones complement or the bitwise ones complement operator. Now this is a unary operator, which means that it only works on one operand. Now the effect of ones complement is that it flips the bit of the operand that it is working on. So if we do tilde A or the bitwise ones complement of A, we get the result -60. And lastly, we have bitwise left shift and the bitwise right shift. So the left shift, the left operand's value is moved left by the number of bits specified in the right operand. And similarly, in the right shift operator, the left operand's value is moved right by the number of bits specified by the right operand. So these were the bitwise operators available in the C programming language.